Hello there, I'm Alexander Turnbull from René of Paris Aderans. Today I've got something exciting to share with you. I'd like to show you a new style from the Orchid Collection. So I have it right here with me. Here's the box, which I love. I think it just looks great. So who's inside? So this is Payton, and this is in the colour cappuccino, and this, very excited, is a new human hair style. So Payton, you can see, is a bob. We've got some layers in there. Looks great, you know, it looks great. And I'm just gonna add, just before we get going, that she's got a lace front and the lovely soft net back, which feels amazing on the skin. But I just wanted to add that although all our wigs are ready to wear out the box, Payton would be no different, but I like to say with human hair needs minimal styling. So, you know, anyone that's working with their bio hair currently, or been, you know, to bed and sleep on one side, generally that side will need combing down or, you know, a little bit of attention, like bed head. So human hair on a wig is no different. You know, human hair will act like human hair. So immediately looking at Payton, it feels like it's a great, very flattering length bob. The layers look great. You can see that shape in there already. I'm going to do some styling, but very minimal styling, and talk you through Payton's. This is the cappuccino colour, and you see it just looks like a chocolate bar, isn't it? You know, it's really rich, really warm. You can imagine that on any kind of skin tone, it would really help, you know, because if you are going through any kind of treatment or anything like that, it can take tone out of the skin, where these lovely warm browns really help. Or if not, they're just a great colour. You can see this nice hair against the contrast of the white, so you can see where this is sitting. I'm going to use a tong today, a traditional hairdressing tong. Okay, you can see it's got a spring-loaded barrel, like so. And I'm going to use this as a styling tool. So I'm going to use this for the whole styling. So sometimes I'll be using this to straighten the hair, sometimes I'll be using it to create bend, and this is what I've decided to use today. So first, I think let's start with this side first. I'm just going to put a little bit of bend in and let that go. Okay, a little bit of bend and then open that up and let it go. So we're not going crazy curly today. See, just putting that bend in there, letting that out, so it just gives us that nice bit of movement. Going to keep the ends a little bit straighter, so we're going to give a real modern texture to this hairstyle. Okay, so I'll take this in. So there we go. Hold that in and then let that go. Just as it's cooling, I just run my fingers. So let's take a closer look at Payton. So let's bring her in. So with the tongue, we've given her this nice kind of tousled, beachy, very on trend kind of wave pattern. Today, as you know, I've been working with the lovely Payton. This gorgeous colour is cappuccino. So just a little bit closer, you can see that really gorgeous, warm chocolate tone. Very, very flattering on the skin, just looks amazing. And turn her around again. And you see how the layers are kind of framing the face. Just looks really cool. This is a really nice haircut as well. It's a very kind of flattering, feminine, stunning haircut. I just wanted to thank you all for tuning in and watching me style one of our new human hair wigs today. Please leave some comments below. I'd love to know what you think. Will this be another wig for you? Will this be the next human hair wig you try? Have you ever tried a human hair wig? Is it something you want to try? And if so, you know, what would you like? Let us know. We'd love to answer any questions you may have. But for now, you've tuned in with me. I'm Alexander Turnbull. This is René of Paris and Aderans. And I've loved being with you today, and I've loved sharing what I can do with human hair. We'll see you next time. Thanks again. Bye-bye.